Oh, we're going up. We're going up. We're flying. We're going to the moon. Oh my God. We're going down. We're going up. Oh my God. Don't mark it in. Don't mark it in. Please don't mark it in. Holy smokes. Batman. We got. Holy smokes. We're pumping. We are pumping up. We're at core inflation 0.2. Core inflation 4%. Coming in even. Inflation rate 3.2 positive. It's positive, guys. It's positive. 3.2 positive inflation rate, my friends. Don't press any buttons. Don't press any buttons, my friends. Whew. Remember, there's always 3 moves. There's always 3 moves, my friends. We got positive news. We got positive news, my friends. Oh, there's the fake out. Everybody's going into logs. What's going on? Alexo Crypto here. Hope you're all doing well. We're pumping, baby. We're pumping. We're pumping, baby. We came in at 3.2% inflation rate. 3.2% inflation rate. Here we go. They were projecting 3.3, and we are at 3.2. Inflation is coming down. Happy days, my friends. Hope you're all doing well. Thank you guys so much for being here. We got core inflation at 4%, breaking even. Inflation down. That's surprising. Isn't it surprising? I agree, Darren does things. Look at this. We are getting a big old Lambo candle this morning. Hope you're all doing well. Thank you guys so much for being here. If you're enjoying this market update, smash that like button, guys. Let's get those likes up to the viewers. Let's watch this massive candle. Is anybody in along? Let's see as we proceed to give you what you need. Da-da-dum bum bum. Now, FOMOing long is not suggested on this channel. However, positive news, baby. Positive news. Bitcoin bouncing up and down. The Dixie is dropping like it's hot. Dixie's dropping like it's hot. What's going on with the SPX? Maybe we could see something on our beautiful ES over here. Let's go over to the ES over here. We can do that. ES is not reacting. Okay. Bitcoin is bouncing around like it just don't care. Waving around like you just don't care. Wave your hands in the air. Wow. Bouncing beautifully off of this downtrend, my friends. Right up to the top of this downtrend. No trade for me. I don't know about you, but we're moving. We're moving, baby. We got some volume coming in. We got some positivity. Oh, look, there's an otter. There's an otter. The otter will be pointing to the upside. Let's go. Let's go. So we got it. We're cooling off, man. This is friggin' cool. If you weren't bullish before, maybe you're bullish now. Maybe you're bullish now. It's 8:30. We've got some beautiful inflation news to go over. Hope you're all doing well, my friends. Thank you guys so much for being here. Darren does things in the chat. What's going on, Darren? Hope you're having a wonderful day, man. Thank you so much for being here. Dave Digital says, bang, 48K. Bang, 48K. He was calling the bull divs on the 1 hour. Dave Digital, what's going on? I saw Melissa in the chat. What's going on, Melissa? Hope you're having a wonderful Tuesday. Today I got to go to the doctors. Oh, we're coming back down. Uh-oh. I got a busy day ahead of me today, so I'm going to be on the charts. And I'm probably going to head off early today. I got a lot to do today. TM says, no dumperoni, please. Vegetarian and long. How do you go long? Are you guys bullish on a vegetarian pizza? Or you want a dumperoni pepperoni? That meat lovers. I'm a meat lover. I'm sorry. Apex predator. What's going on, TM? Hope you're having a wonderful day, my man. Jeet Corp, it's a trap. It's a trap, he's saying. Jeet Corp, good to see you, my friend. Hope you're having a great day. Hope all is well for you. Hope all is well for you. B Team Crypto coming in early and spreading the love. And then, of course, Mr. Lunar Beaches Crypto. Lunar Beaches Crypto. Sunday swims, evening streams, keeping it real. My friend, Lunar Beaches Crypto. We want to know if we love sausage. Well, Dave Digital, I like the sepressata. It's called the sepressata. It's a good sausage. Hey, you like the sausage? I like the sausage. Okay. If you don't like the sausage, well, too bad. We got inflation data. Okay, flying off the handles here. So, what can we see here? We can see that inflation rate year over year. Okay. 3.3 projection. I'm like, how can they say 3.3, man, and it's 3.7, and it comes in at 3.2? Okay? Is Jerome Powell the man? Like, is he going to land this plane like Smooth Criminal, like the Flight movie? No, that's the wrong movie. That's the alcoholic who drinks. Dave Digital, we do party, even if it's old men. We do call those sausage parties here in Canada. Some of those are the best parties, actually. No drama. Just saying. Unless you got like someone like Melissa in the chat. She's chill AF, okay? Don't mess with Melissa. So we got inflation rate, 3.2%. What does this mean? Year over year. Well, we came down to 3 because of all the hikes. Then we popped back up to 3.7, evenly, and now we've come down to 3.2. And this is what they want to see, okay? This is what they want to see. They definitely want to see this kind of information. What are they reloading these? Core inflation, okay? The basket of goods. 4%, baby. 4%, baby. How can we complain, okay? How can we complain? We even came under on inflation rate month over month was 0%, whatever that means. They're fudding numbers here. Okay. So this is very positive for all markets. Let's see how they react, though. Positive news isn't always great news, okay? It isn't always great news. Sometimes it can be bearish, depending on the sentiment of the market, okay? We've had quite a nice push up here from Bitcoin, and we can see that we're definitely moving on up here on the Bitcoin world. However, we are in a slight downtrend, okay? We are in a slight downtrend. As you can see, I have marked it here on my charts. CPI shows October was first month since July 22, no retail price rise. Damn, Daniel. So we are in a downtrend. We have gotten a push up with the news. We do have some things, like BlackRock here saying there's going to be this XRP news, man. Did you see the pump and dump on XRP? That was wild. XRP trust products for XRP spot ETF, turned out to be fake, okay? Turned out to be fake. Like, hey, man, it's interesting to see, like, these pump and dumps, it's kind of giving you a forecast of where we think price might go, okay? Where we think price might go. XRP just flying off the handles here. Look at this stupid wick, man. Holy shit. Okay, so quite dramatic. A little bit of news. I mean, an ETF for XRP would be extremely bullish. Okay? What's looming? Spot Bitcoin ETF, okay? Could come this week. I wouldn't be surprised if it dumped on everyone's ass right now. We go over to the book map, and we can see extreme red and extreme on both sides of the price. So there's buyers and sellers just fighting right now. I think there's a lot of buyers pushing price up. Okay, we're at 36.50 here. Make sure to use the free book map on YouTube. It always gives you kind of an idea. People waiting up here at 36,850. And you got some 36,000 people down here. So we're watching that as well. I stay out of days like this, guys. This is not this isn't a trading day for Alex O Crypto. I'm in my bank yesterday. I'm pretty happy with that. I'm sharing the trade setups in the Discord all the time. So we have some levels we're gonna go through. Oh, the brave little toaster. I don't know if toaster's little. I don't know. Maybe it's just a brave French toaster. We'll call you the brave French toaster. What's going on, my man? The man with the 4 slots, the wide berth for the big thick bread. The man, the myth, the legend. He doesn't just toast. He does bagels as well. What's going on, French toaster? I don't know. Can you get a better intro, man? Can you get a better intro? What's going on, my man? Okay, so we've gotten a pump. Hola! I gotta work on my hola. Screaming is not for me. However, Bitcoin charts are. So let's get into the goods. Okay, the goods. What's in the nitty gritty? What do we have here? We have some levels. Okay, we have some levels like we always have prepared for you guys, and we're currently up at the level right now, 36,650. Okay, we had this level marked out on our charts, which is entry into this above range. Okay, so we've come up and we've hit this 36,500, right? You can see it right here. Very beautiful, respected throughout. However, there is a bigger channel here. No, I'm not talking about, cryptos or Rust. Not a bigger channel that way. There is a bigger channel. Okay, so we got a bigger channel. I'm talking about this one here, okay? So we can see we have cooled off, okay? This to me is an ugly blow off top, okay? Very, very ugly blow off top. However, we do have some levels, okay? Flashing. We have a golden pocket down here. I shared in the Discord. If you're not in the Discord, join the Discord. It's free. Give you my ideas every morning, okay? Every morning, share the ideas. Try to help you guys be profitable, okay? So we have this lower part around 35.7, 35.8. This is my target for a retrace, okay? I hunted it, would not be hot today. What's going on? Jonathan Schaefer. I'm like, how the heck are we going? How did we get into 3.2, man? Jonathan Schaefer, the man in the chair. What's going on, bro? Good to see you, man. Hope you're feeling better. I heard you were sick. I hope you're feeling better, bro. Hope you're feeling better, my man. Make sure, I think we can get these likes up to at least 15, my friends. So let's try and do that. So we got a bigger channel here. We got the positive news, 3.2%, baby. Look at that. And Bitcoin has taken off. However, it's gotten a bit of a rejection here because guess what? Everybody FOMO long, okay? And guess what? They're going to hunt you out. They're hunting you. You know what? They're coming for you right now. As we speak, they're coming for you, okay? They're coming for you. And you can see we're in a little downtrend right now, okay? We're in a little bit of a downtrend here. And we came up to key level of resistance, which we had marked out on our chart, and we are getting rejected now. So guess what, guys? Sometimes you trade the news and you sing the blues. How about that? That'll be the going theme today. Make sure you got lots of coffee. I'm actually running quite short on coffee today. But I do have a doctor's appointment, and I got to get off of here in about 20 minutes. So, my God, look at this. They're coming back for everybody. They're coming back for everybody. Bitcoin don't care. The markets don't care. You should have paid yourself already. Key level of resistance. Stop loss to entry, right? My God. My God. Dave Digital says 6 likes and 15 in the live. If we can't get equal likes, maybe we're in trouble. Now we're looking for lower lows. We're sitting in insert joke here. On my second cup already. That's it, French toaster. We got to get that caffeine in us, okay? So Dave Digital was nice enough to point out the bullish divergence here, that we can see that we have this continuation to the upside. I don't know. I would like to see this come lower. Okay, I'm being bearish, but however, we got the massive wick up here. Okay, so we can see that very clearly. What do we got on the 30 here? You see the continuation here. This didn't get low enough for me to say this is bullish divergence. This just says that whenever you're looking at price and price moves quickly, it gives you an opportunity. Okay, so this is an opportunity. You can see very small trail to the upside here. Okay, so This is what creates this nice wave. You can see the nice wave here, right? Created by this trail, okay? Then we get a snap down to reality. Snap to reality. Back to, come on, sing it, y'all. Okay? So when we get a quick move, that means that this is going to be a drawn out wave into a quick move, which typically gives you a bullish divergence or vice versa, a bearish divergence. So the quick move here gives you a much smaller momentum wave here on Market Cipher. Okay, you can see that. I know I'm hypnotizing you, but you can see that. Okay, so when you get that move quickly down to the same level, you typically get a divergence, which pushes price that way, okay? The opposite way of which way it fell. So if it falls down, you're looking for it to pop back up, okay? So there's always an opportunity on whatever time frame you're on. When price moves quickly, it gives you divergences, which will push price to the upside, and you can't trade every single one. However, back to life, back to auto reality. Okay, that's it. So we got this beautiful, beautiful double bottom here. Now, Dave Digital was also saying we have a Wonder Woman double bottom here, which is pretty. So we're definitely watching that as well. Okay, so Dave Digital has been all over this morning. I basically am just regurgitating what he says because you know what? Sometimes we just got to trust the community, and that's why we're here building such a strong community. Traders, helping traders who are trading the charts. We're helping everybody be profitable, okay? So if we combine our knowledge, we can all work together in order to create a bigger, stronger, profitable community, and that's what we're all about here at Alexo Crypto, okay? We want to all help, okay? I don't want anything from you. I make money from trading, okay? Let's make that clear, okay? So we can see we're in this down channel. We've gotten rejected, okay? The bears are back in town. The bears are back in town, okay? So we're watching this channel very closely. Now we have some levels below us that I want you guys to add to your charts, okay? One thing to note is if we lose this level where we're at right now, okay, this 36,200 area, if we lose this level, we could be looking for a swift move to the downside down to this box that I have for you right here, okay? So you can see right here, let's just full screen this. So you can see right here, we have moved up quite dramatically, yeah? We'll get rid of this channel. We'll put on this channel quite dramatically up here, okay? So it's a very nice move. However, there is a volume gap right in here. Okay, so you pull the volume from swing this one here all the way over, and you can see, look, I could just visually see that. You can see there's no price action in here. So what will happen if we lose this level? Price will fall down to the value area high. Okay, so we look for this to continue upwards. Now we do have this beautiful sloping uptrend, right, for continuation, right? So we're in a very, very beautiful situation where we have the opportunity for continuation. So we pull the fib from where this move started, okay, down here. I would say from down here to the highs. Whew, got to get up to that high, baby. And we can see we have a golden pocket, okay? And we make that nice for you. We can see we have a nice golden pocket here that we could retrace to, okay? So we could see price simply work its way down to this area where we look for a reversal of this little macro downtrend, okay? Because we are clearly in a massive uptrend, okay? Clearly. Right? We know this, okay? So how do we set ourselves up for success? We know we're bullish right now. All this news, we're setting up for the ETF. We have some levels that we can look to find those swing failure patterns to the downside where we can look for price to pop back up, okay? Pop back up. That doesn't mean that we're not going to pop back up from where we are right now because we got the beautiful W pattern shared by Dave Digital. Double Digital? I almost called you Double Digital. DW. That's Arthur, sorry. So always come from the outside and take a look in, see what levels you got, mark out key levels of support and resistance and where you think price is going to go, and therefore we can have a better idea of where we think price is going to go. Now we're getting above this middle channel right now, So can we use this middle of the channel here, this one here, as a level that was respected throughout? You can see it's respected throughout as well as a level to bounce up on. Absolutely, right? We could see it bounce up on that. That's a horrible... I got to get better at Etch-a-Sketch, man. Shake that drawing out. Shake it out. Okay. Much better. Much better. So we're going to go through Market Cipher B and take a look at everything for you guys. Darkwing Duck. You did not say that. Get down, Darkwing Duck. The best cartoon ever. Double D's, baby. So you're saying if I find channel sponsors, I can keep 100% of the contract? Yeah, bro. Go right ahead. I just won't shill them. You signed the contract. I'm like, well, you know, these guys will shill it for Dave Digital. We'll shill it. We'll be like, okay, like Dave Digital got a contract. Here's invest in this, or I don't know. What do you want? What am I supposed to shill? I think the only time I would ever take a sponsor would be if it was like coffee. Traders need coffee. I'm very particular about my coffee too, so it'd have to be like some fancy shit. Okay, we all have our things. Mine's coffee, however. Sponsored by Marvel, okay? How could you say no to Marvel? I mean, if you got adamantium, sign me up, okay? So we're going to go through this. We got some beautiful bullish data that came in. So let's jump through this. So we got higher highs, lower lows, bearish divergence on the daily, okay? Very clear and concise, okay? So what does that mean? We could possibly see a retracement. Cooling off a little bit from here, we have our levels that I just showed you, right? So we're aware of that. Parallel channel to the upside, momentum to the upside. We could even draw something like this. Nah, that's ugly. Okay, so we don't draw something like this. The weekly, very much oversold. We flip through 5-day. These are all wanting to print in red dots now. 4-day, there it is. It's printing on the 4-day. However, and it's printed on the 3-day. However, on the 3-day, you can see higher high, lower low, divergence. Doesn't matter. Money flow is still coming to the upside. So it's very mixed signals on the long-term time frames because we've had this parabolic push. Okay, parabolic push. Where are our key levels to the downside? Well, we know about the key levels down here, right? And the make or break level is clearly this 31.8, but I would 32.8, I believe that's the one. 32.8, that's the other one that I'm looking at. If we do fall, okay, which I don't think is happening right now. Okay, so I'm very, very clear on that one. I might be able to do a coffee sponsor thing. I'll brainstorm. That would be hilarious. I told you. We're all about coffee. I'd be like, you know when George of the Jungle finds coffee? Do any of you guys remember that? Java, 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 Java. Tell me you guys remember when George of the Jungle, Brandon Fraser, finds coffee. Do you guys remember that scene? Java, Java, Java. It's fucking funny. Oh man, that's fucking great. That's the pinnacle of my childhood, okay? I'll keep brainstorming the coffee idea. Oh, you're too kind. Thank you so much, Schaefer. I appreciate you. I appreciate all you guys, man. Thank you guys for showing up for me, man. I appreciate it. A lot of you guys said 3.2. How the heck? Okay, so like I did the poll before we had the data, okay? Before we had the data, my friends, I put 3, 3.2, 3.5, and 4. How did I know to put 3.2 into the poll, guys? Is there something going on here? Do we have some like superpowers that we are unaware of? I just put 3.2 as like, okay, it's kind of close to. Oh, wow. I feel like I Jedi mind fucked the fucking Fed. What do you guys think? Toaster forgot about that movie. Alex, you got me actually ruffling. That's when you're rolling on the floor laughing. Java, 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 Java. And Schaefer did tell me this morning. He called his Fed friends, and he's like, you got to give me that data, bro. Okay. So the daily here is cooling off, which is good to see. Okay, this is good to see. Like it's gonna actually build a much healthier structure. So you could just draw something like this. Like if you want to plain Jane TA this thing, okay, you can see there's a horizontal here that we got above, right? We got a trend line here that we're holding, okay. We also have a little bit of a downtrend here, right? So there's your levels, right? And we look for price to continue, right? It's very simple. For me, I'm a scalper, so I like to definitely jump into it. I knew because it was 0.1 less than projected. Oh, Dave, you're all over that, man. Otter Vision, baby. Otter Vision says B Team Crypto. It's utterly fantastic that you recognize that. Okay, so one thing that is concerning is that we can actually see that money flow is slowly coming out. However, coming out from, very, very high 52 points here down to 35 points here is not that bad, okay? When money flow is above like 25, like this area, it's bullish. Wow, I drew that really straight. However, so it is coming out, but look at the posturing on the 12-hour, okay? So look at the posturing on the 12-hour. This wants to fire up. This wants to fire it up. And we've cooled down here on the momentum wave. Look, this could go like this, man. This could go like this. So we prepare for these things by setting ourselves up with good stop loss and good risk management throughout this whole channel, okay? So let's jump into the 4-hour. We can see the 4-hour. Oh, we were looking for that trigger wave yesterday, okay? The trigger wave did not come. We looked. It was like this. You can see the little outburst right here. You can see the little bit of a jog right here. If we zoom in. Okay. We were looking for this thing to come like this, okay? It's hard to see. Okay? However, it jerked and it twerked and it worked its way all the way back down. But look at this. VWAP to the upside. Money flow cooling off, but flattening out. Okay? Stochastics. Oh, starting to get it separated. Bam, 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 bam. For a big move, okay? They're starting to alligator mouth, okay? This is bullish for a move. Okay? Okay? Curling up 4 hours. So today we could see a move back up. Today we could see a move back up. Not financial advice, obviously. Duh. Dave, definitely send that ish to me as soon as possible. 35,618 per Phoenix. Ooh. Are you a Phoenix? Okay, so we're going to continue to look at this. Let's look at the levels. Let's jump into the nitty gritty. What are we looking at here? This is a lot of lines on the chart. Alex O'Crypto, what the heck is going on in your mind, man? Upward sloping channel. Get above it. Continue to work your way back up, okay? This is an insignificant high. However, we are cooling down, which is good. Open interest is through the roof. Have you guys looked at open interest? Guys, go to Coinalyze. Make a little account. Just add open interest and CBD and have a wee gander, okay? Is this going to load for me or what? Are we going to have to fight, okay? Zoom out. Look at open interest, man. Yeehaw! All the way up here, okay? And you can find divergences where open interest is coming up. CVD is coming down. That means price is going to come up, okay? I typically go with which way open interest. If you're getting a divergence between the CVD and the open interest, right, you go with the CVD direction, okay? If this is moving up and this is moving down, price is typically going to go up, okay? So we watch that. Look at this. Bang. It moved up on us, right? It moved up on us, okay? Now that it's cooling down, look, it moved up, okay? And then look. Boom. Drop it like it's hot, okay? So add this to your chart just to see what's coming in. As we're declining in price, people are friggin' interested, man. Keep it simple, stupid, right? That's what they said to me. Keep it simple, stupid. So add that to your arsenal to have an idea of which way price is wanting to go. Okay, so now we're in the 4 hour. What are we looking for? I told you. We're looking for a bounce from here. We have a big level here. Actually, let's move this level up. Okay, so we know that there is a big hole here within the volume. Okay, there's a big hole in here. Okay, between 36.2 and 35.7. Okay, so if we do lose this, look for us to come back and test these areas. Okay, and I've marked these boxes out for you guys, and I've sent them in the Discord so you have them. However, bullish news today. So what are we looking? We're looking for this to hold, double bottom, which Dave Digital was so kind to share, and for us to crawl our way back up. However, we might not crawl. We might just fly. Okay, we might just fly. So we need to protect ourselves. Jumping into the 1 hour. Okay. You can see there's a parallel channel to the downside. We came up, we got rejected quite nicely, okay? Quite nicely. So what? We look for the continuation of this down, okay? So the trend is your friend. So we're in a small downtrend. We know there's tons of buying pressure, okay? So if we're moving down, there's a reason why we're moving down, okay? Don't fight it. However, we can look for that divergence to the downside where we can fire off along to continue upwards. And remember, I said to you guys yesterday, price is sporadic right now. Price is moving like this all over the place, right? And you get in here, but then it comes back and it gets you, okay? So pay yourselves early. Use good risk management, right? Use good risk management. If you're shorting this, take profits early. Put your stop loss in entry, okay? Okay? Make sure to pay yourselves early. Because we know how it's just hunting us, okay? You're getting along here, it's coming down and it's hunting you down here, okay? It's giving you the fake move, and then bang, it grabs you, and then it heads up, okay? So it's hard to catch these moves, so we need to always be prepared for the volatility of the market because we get in wicks like this, okay? Look at these wicks, okay? These wicks are coming for us with volume, okay, with volume. So let's jump into the nitty-gritty, and we can show you guys how this has behaved. Look at this stuff, right? So, oh, yeah, you can draw the parallel channel. You can see maybe a short here, blood diamond, bang, comes back up and gets you, right? It's all hunting. It's like Turok, okay? You got to watch out. Turok has his bow and arrow, and he's coming for you, George of the Jungle, with all your Java, and he doesn't care if you're a dinosaur or whatever. If you're a bull, a bear, a velociraptor, whatever you are, he's coming for you. So protect yourself. Protect yourself, pay yourself, in and out, quick trades, right? So today, what am I looking for today? I'm looking for price to dwindle its way down a little bit, okay? Right? I can look for a double top here. Short position, okay? A fake out to the upside. I can look for a bearish divergence today. I can look for this to come down and then bullish divergence this way, okay? There's very, very clear opportunities today. You just got to be patient. You can pull a local fib here. You can see we're at the point of control, right? You can see that we bounced quite nicely here. Is this a 786 probably? 786, right? So there's opportunities here. However, the big move, I think, would be to grab a swing failure from the bottom here, or to continue this downtrend, double top here, bearish divergence, protecting yourselves to the downside. Please protect yourselves, okay? Something like that. So I hope this gets well to you guys. I gotta get running, man. You guys are incredible for being here this morning. I hope I give you guys enough alpha to help you guys, be profitable, help you guys with that mindset. How to be kind, how to share the information with everybody. Join us in the free Discord. I know a lot of you guys are already in here, but if there's anyone new, join us, ask any questions. There's lots of people who have come through, asked lots of questions, and they're profitable traders. They're growing like crazy. They're learning the TA, and we're helping each other, right? We're helping each other. Lots of people. Apprentice, Schaefer with all his beautiful charts. Lunar Beaches Crypto out here. Market update. Moonlit Markets. Hayden here with his friggin' bison, okay? So come through. Join us here. We would love to have you. And always check out, I'll give my TA setups. I'm also making some pullback videos on where we think Solana, ADA, IMX. So I announced this yesterday here. I'm going to do ADA. Clearly, everybody wants to see ADA. I have levels on ADA, so I'll do the ADA one today. I have Solana coming out today as well. So I'm just going to do pullback levels to where we can look to dollar cost average on all these things and what the charts are saying. So we can set limit orders on spot so that we can figure out where some good DCA areas. And we have done some TA and gone through, like ADA, we've gone through and done some TA for you guys. Gala, we've gone through, and Matic and stuff like that. So we're gonna keep posting those videos and posting the charts so you don't have to watch the videos. However, watch the videos, okay? Okay? I'll give you the charts in advance so you don't have to watch the videos, so you can just add it to your charts. However, watch the videos, smash the like button, comment on the videos. It helps the channel and it helps us grow. So thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate every single one of you guys. You guys are great. You guys are so supportive. I really appreciate you guys. I got to go to the doctor's today, so I'm going to head out early. And I appreciate you. This is why we become traders, to free up our lives so that we can go and do things with our wives. Free up our lives so we can do things with our wives. That should be our new slogan. So careful on the open. The open is coming. And, you know, they pumped the market. Everybody's feeling bullish after this news. What does that mean? That means they want to dump it on our ass. So be very, very careful. Be very careful. They're going to come for these longs. They're coming for you. So be careful. Be careful. Much love to every single one of you guys. Thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate every single one of you guys. I will see you guys tomorrow morning, 8:30 or 4 o'clock tonight. I schedule a video for 4 o'clock tonight. So thank you so much. I'm going to the proctologist, Crypto Pollo. Cluck, cluck, papa. Peace out. Otter gang. Much love. I'm going to the trade doctor, man, because these trades are sick.